So welcome fellow coin collectors, how you going? And today we're just going to go through some new coins that I actually purchased. So I won't go through the coins that I'm actually going to make a video on. So we've got the new Saudi Arabian coins, so these are 2016. And the only one I'm actually missing is the one halala. And the highest denomination I actually use now is the 2 reals, and these actually have a face value I think about 70 cents, so not really much purchasing power. I believe Saudi Arabia is actually quite a wealthy country, so this probably 1 and 2 real probably does see a lot of circulation. The other coins probably don't. And you can actually buy a set of these for like probably $10, uncirculated on eBay. These are actually quite a nice set. And the 50 halala, you can see up the top it has a security thread, so segmented as well. That's something I actually didn't expect. Then we have some German coins. So these ones are actually quite popular for, pretty obvious reason. So I've got a 5 Reichspfennigs, 37. You can see why people actually find these popular. E is the mint in Saxony, and J, I think J's Hamburg, can't remember. Then we've got the Weimar Republic, so 50 Reichspfennig, 1929. Then we've got 2. Actually, it's a bit hard to actually hold a lot of coins together. 2 Reichspfennigs. So these probably cost about, I don't know, $5 to $20 depending on who you buy them from. 37, 38. And we have J and F. F might be Stuttgart. Okay, then we have a Reichsmark, 1934. These are actually quite sought after, probably between $10 and $20, I'd say. 25 Pfennig, same between $10 and $20. This is an A for Berlin. And this is 1911. This one actually was, you can see the actual, it's been soldered at some time, probably to a necklace or something like that. And someone's actually taken it out. Still a nice coin, 25 Pfennig. It didn't actually catch on actually. Then we have the large Renton Pfennig. So this one was issued before the small one. These ones are actually a bit harder to get, even though the Renton Pfennig was actually quite a high mint coin. So this one had about 30 million, it's a little bit off center. And 1924 J. So this was replaced in 1927 with the smaller nickel coin. And if you get one of these, not Renton Pfennig, has to have Reichspfennig. They're actually the low mint coins to get. You'll be paying a few dollars for a Renton Pfennig. For a Reichspfennig, you're probably paying probably $40 to $50. Because they're in the hundreds of thousands. Very rarely does the mintage get over $1 million. So that's the actual coin you want to get. This large aluminium bronze coin with Reichspfennig. Okay, then we have some Second World War coins, and these are Slovak 1 kronas. They're actually the most common Slovakian coin. 1940, about 2 million. 41, about 8 million. 42, I think there's about 3 million. So, not really a high mint coin, but the most common. As you can see, you've got the Slovak coat of arms. This one has a lamination problem. So, quite a nice coin. And on the back we just have some wheat and some, looks like a pine cone, pine tree, not too sure what these, maybe it's fir. Then we got some other European coins. Oh, sorry, Slovak coins, depending, you're probably paying about $5 to $10 for one of these. For the other denominations, probably more. Okay, Luxembourg, 25 centimeters. This is a iron coin, so this is iron. As you can see, iron actually degrades quite quickly. So, and it's also hard to mint as coins, so that's why it's actually only used during desperate times. So, after the Second World War, there was a shortage of metal, so Luxembourg used iron. And if you don't know, that during the First World War, Luxembourg was actually occupied by Germany. It wasn't incorporated into Germany, but anyway. This one's probably paying about $5 for. Not a bad coin. Then we have a Greek 5 lepta, Obolos, BB, and this is a 1869 should I say, not 1969. Is that Perios Eleniki? So that's actually quite a nice coin. This one you're probably paying about at least $10 in this condition, 10 to 20, because they're really a low mint coin. Probably. And then we have a 100 francs from Morocco. So this is a silver coin. So these two are silver. This one is a 100 francs has a silver value of about, I think, $3, and this Egyptian one has silver value of about $2.50. So as you can see, I like these Moroccan coins. They're actually quite nice. Has the star on it, and here we have the Sphinx on the Egyptian coin. So this was dated 1958, and on the back we just have the wings of an Egyptian god. This is a 5 piesta. So this is 5 in there. They've got piesta, El Quersh, and the Republic of Egypt. So quite a nice coin. 50s coins all had the Sphinx on it, so different periods had different images on the actual coin. And these ones you're probably paying probably at least $10 each for. Not really a cheap coin, but they're not really a high mint. Oh no, I think this one might have had 20 million, but this one's definitely a low mint coin. Okay, then we have two coins from Afghanistan. So 25 and 50 pools. So there's the denomination. So you got the denomination 25 pools near. So there's pool 50. And the thing is with these are 1951 to 55. The thing with these is they issued them in aluminium, nickel plated steel, which is this coin, and bronze. So 3 different metals for the same denomination. And here we have 1330 and 1331 underneath the actual building. It's quite a nice coin. This one you're probably paying $5 to $10 for. Then we have some Chinese coins. I actually quite like these Chinese coins. So the size of this coin means it's 10 cash. So a cash coin is, do I have one on the table? No, I have to go over to somewhere else. The whole coin with a hole in it. And then we have on this side we have the actual date is up here. This is the denomination, 10 cash. This means like great coin of Queen. And they've got lamination probably as well as there, so die crack. And usually they have a mint mark in the middle, so no, this one doesn't have a mint mark. It's probably been worn away, so it's going to be a bit hard to see which mint actually produced this coin. And on the back, Tai Ting Tio Ko, so great copper coin of Qing. So this is Qing, Tai Qing, so great Qing. And here we have the Chinese dragon, which is a beautiful coin. These ones you're probably paying probably $5 to $10 in this condition. And it's actually quite a high mint coin. Some mints you got 3, 4. There's even one mint that actually produced 1 billion of these. So not really a rare coin, but because of the rise of the Chinese middle class, actually, the price has actually increased. Then we have another coin. So this is another large coin. This is Belgium, 1833. So this is in French, and on this side we have the beautiful lion holding the Constitution of Belgium of 1831. It's 5 centimeters. Quite a nice coin. You can see it's reeded. I do like this coin. The 5 centimeters is actually harder to get. I believe these were demonetized in 1874. So that is a nice coin. I quite like that. Then I have an uncirculated. This is one of my favorite coins of a 20 centavos from Mexico. I think this one had a mintage of 37 million. So we got Teotihuacan. So that's a large step pyramid that's near Mexico City. And it's an old building. It's about, I think, 1,500 years old. It wasn't, when the actual Aztecs came into central Mexico, this was already abandoned. So that's about 1300. And quite nice. Then we've got the Liberty Cap of Mexican. So quite a nice coin. Oops, dropped it. Not uncirculated anymore. Almost uncirculated now. So careful. But really in this grade, still pretty common to actually get. Then we have, so the last one. I've got some Macau coins, but I've done a video on these before. Got another set. They're actually quite nice. But this is one of my favorite US coins, a Walking Liberty. Should be Beautiful Eagle or something like that, because the eagle's actually got the eye appeal. This says S for San Francisco Mint, and this one's probably worth about $15 to $20. Probably VF condition, 1943, and I don't see any errors on that. So I've got a few others that actually have errors on it, but that's actually nice. So which side do you like? The Walking Liberty or the actual glorified seagull, or as they call it, the bald eagle, which is actually the size of a seagull? And our wedge-tailed eagle could probably eat this one for lunch. Anyway, nice coin, beautiful. And if you collect US coins, I definitely recommend you actually get one of these. So here I'll leave the video, and I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. And I hope this helps you with your coin collecting, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.